Guys, may nabook nga kaming hidden spot in Batangas City na pinarana sa amin kung paano maging hasyendera kahit isang araw lang. It's the kind of place na talagang mapapaslow down ka, yung ma-appreciate mong ang sarap mabuhay at magkaroon ng malaking pangarap para sa pamilya. We're so happy we found the Red Hen Homestead. It's a private 1 hectare property tucked at the foothills of Mount Banoy. Surrounded by greenery and fresh air, it's a collaboration of staycation plus nature trip. What I loved most was the peaceful atmosphere. Parang andali lang makalimutan ng stress ng everyday life pag nandito ka. Ancestral house siya na malaglas house ang atake. Exclusive and private, kaya mafe-feel mo talaga yung comfort. They have a beautiful Filipino-inspired 2-story guest house with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms that can accommodate up to 14 guests. Kaya perfect siya for family gatherings, barkada getaways, or even team retreats pwede. Ito yung master's bedroom. Parang yung mga kwarto lang natin sa bahay ni Lola. Air-condition to, may TV na wifi ready, at atake yung bathroom nito. Tignan nyo naman. Ang ganda, ang sarap mag-shoot dito kasi pasok na pasok talaga lahat ng lighting. Ito naman yung dalawa pang kwarto na may 3 sleeping capacity. Parehas yan na may double deck and air condition din, plus may access pa yan parehas sa balcony. May tambayan area dito na perfect pang coffee spot early in the morning. Ang ganda ng hagdan nila dito, tignan nyo, nakaka-amaze, and bibihira na din talaga yung mga ganitong interior and design sa isang bahay. And if you're someone who enjoys quiet mornings, you'll definitely appreciate the wide open gardens, yung mountain views, and their 25-meter private lap pool. May light farm experience din with chickens, which adds to the provincia charm. Sa baba, may living area, malawak na space na perfect for gaming session if ever na magpapalaro kayo for your reunions or team buildings. Ang gaan and calm lang ng vibe dahil nga napapalibutan ng glass tile yung buong bahay. May isang room dito sa baba na may own restroom din, tapos double deck na yan. Air condition din, plus meron din namang extra CR dito sa labas. Fully equipped yung kitchen nila, wala ka nang hahanapin pa, pagkain na lang talaga yung dadalhin mo. From dining and cooking utensils, yung sink nila dito may dishwashing liquid na rin, may ref, stove, electric kettle, and oven. Tapos napakaganda din ng dining table nila dito, nakasya yung buong pamilya. May small table din dito for tambayan. Kung gusto nyo rin ng outdoor celebrations, meron silang parang small covered dining area dito. May sink yan, tapos may pugon pa in case na you want to bake for your handa. Pwede din kayo mag-order in advance sa kanila ng food. From farm to table nga, kaya fresh yung mga prutas at gulay nila dito. It's the kind of place where you can spend your day swimming, enjoying good conversations, taking a walk around the property, ang laki nito, or even going on a hike if you're feeling a little adventurous. Pwede nyo silang kausapin para mag-book kayo ng hike. Favorite part of this haven, itong swimming pool nila. So sobrang haba nga nito, kahit marami kayo, hindi siya magiging crowded. Malinis yung pool, maligam-gam ang tubig, kaya tatagal ka kahit hindi siya heated. Sobrang presko at maliwalas. The whole stay, most of the time, nandito kami sa pool sa umaga dahil sobrang sarap lang magbabad at tumambay. So if you've been craving a weekend surrounded by nature, fresh air, and quality time with the people you love, this might be worth adding to your list. Isa to sa mga highly recommended kong resort dito sa may Batangas. Na sure akong buong pamilya mag-e-enjoy at babalik-balikan. I-save nyo na nga to and targetin yung mapuntahan to kasi mag-iiba yung standards nyo when it comes to staycation or resorts. O siya, tara, biyahe tayo!